Alright guys, a new one for you. Basically Gerard Morin setup kind of idea, but instead of one of these water pumps, you just put a magnet in a standard AC brush motor, switched it on. So that's the motor with a load on it, right? That's what it sounds like without a load. Right. That light there is fucking blinding. Yeah. But all it is an AC fan motor. Or an AC brush motor. That's all it is. I think it was probably out of I don't know, maybe out of a Hoover or something like that. This LED fucking roasting. Yeah. It is really hot and it is really bright. I'd say that's probably doing, I don't know, maybe 1000 RPM. Maybe. Probably. I'm not sure. I checked the voltage coming out of that, it's only about 20 volts. The motor's powered by 12 volts at 1 amp. So, definitely a large power increase anyway, just from that. AC brush motor. Possibly out of a Hoover, don't know.